So one thing that might enhance this process of creating content is instead of having a plain text editor for our description, having a Wysiwyg. Chances are you know what a Wysiwyg is by now, but briefly, Wysiwyg is short for what you see is what you get, and the idea is to be able to edit content in a way that makes it look like how it will look on the end page. So for example, in order to make some of this content bolded, I would need to add B tags around them. But in a Wysiwyg, what you could do is simply highlight it and do what you would do in any text editor and press Ctrl B in order to make it bold. So let's go ahead and go through the process of enabling a Wysiwyg. We'll need an extra module in order to do this called the Wysiwyg module. So go ahead and jump back to the browser where you're an administrator, open up a new tab and do a search for Drupal Wysiwyg. And at the very top, click the first link called Wysiwyg and scroll down to the bottom. And you'll see here we have a Drupal 7 version. And just like we've done in previous examples where we've installed modules, right-click the tar.gz, select Copy Link Location, go back to your site, click the Modules link in the admin bar, and then click the Install New Module link at the top, paste in the URL in this input, and click Install. Let's go ahead and go and enable the Wysiwyg module. I'm going to click the Enable Newly Added Modules link. And let's do a browser search for Wysiwyg. Okay. It's under the User Interface block, and we have one option here. Let's go ahead and enable this module, and scroll down to the bottom and click Save Configuration.